Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Welcome to another 2023 Project Orchids. This is video number 4 for orchid number 3, Zygopetalum Louisendorf. Now, as usual, the link to the previous video, number 3, is in the description, and if you can use it and you want to, the info card to that video is coming up now. So if you've been away, welcome back. And in the last video we had this new growth, which has done nothing, and this new growth just starting and looks like it might actually grow. Well, firstly, it has grown. It's now got a spike, and you're not going to like this. That's coming straight off. I've only just noticed it today. So that's coming off. This plant's not strong enough to support the flowers. I want the energy to go into this growth, and more importantly, last time we looked we had some roots growing. Well, we now have a lot more roots in the pot. So we've got a root system, and we have one new growth pushing on, attempting to bloom, and been stopped in its tracks. Yeah, having taken that spike off, this growth will hopefully eventually produce a bulb, but it could trigger this one into growth, or better still, start a brand new one. So we've got progress on this. I won't say it's dramatic. 2 months worth of growth has basically pushed this on and started a spike. But as I said, I don't believe the plant has enough strength to carry on with that spike, and so it's now been removed. So we'll come back in 2 months and see the progress. I mean, I've always had difficulty growing zygos. Most of the problems seem to stem around the repotting and the following demise. Whereas, you know, this one has been repotted, it's starting to grow roots. It's not progressing at a tremendous rate, but there is some progress. So that's all I can hope for. And for the next 2 months, literally, I'd like another new growth to push on. And hopefully this one produce a nice swollen bulb. So we'll see how we go. But yeah, it's still, I would say, struggling. But at least it's making progress. See you next time.